Have you ever wondered how we, as complex beings, came into existence? Welcome to the fascinating world of scientific evolution. It's a theory that paints the grand picture of life, explaining the rich tapestry of biodiversity on our planet. It all began billions of years ago with life in its simplest form. Over time, this life evolved, growing more complex and diverse. A man named Charles Darwin was instrumental in developing this theory, forever changing how we view life. The journey of evolution begins with the simplest of life forms. Imagine a world dominated by the simplest organisms, tiny life forms invisible to the naked eye. This was the reality around 3.5 billion years ago. Our planet was a cradle for life, but the life it nurtured was drastically different from what we know today. This was a world of single-celled organisms, the pioneers of life, their simplicity making them the perfect starting point for the grand spectacle of evolution. These single-celled organisms were not content to remain simple. Over unimaginable stretches of time they began to band together, forming the first multicellular organisms. This was a significant leap in complexity, a leap that opened the door to a myriad of new possibilities. As eons passed, these multicellular organisms continued to evolve, becoming more complex and diverse. Plants, the green architects of our world, took root. Invertebrates, with their shells and exoskeletons, crawled from the water onto land. Vertebrates, with their internal skeletons, diversified into countless forms, from the tiniest frogs to the most massive dinosaurs. Finally, the stage was set for the emergence of mammals and primates. These creatures were characterized by their warm blood, hair, and in the case of primates, an increased brain size. This increase in brain size allowed for greater intelligence, tool use, and social behaviors. Eventually, these processes led to the development of us, Homo sapiens, around 300,000 years ago. Evolution, in its essence, is a story of change and adaptation. It's a tale that spans billions of years, beginning with the simplest of life forms and progressing to the rich tapestry of species that inhabit our planet today. Over these vast stretches of time, life has not been static, but has instead constantly adapted and evolved, driven by the unending engine of natural selection. This process, this grand experiment of nature, has shaped every leaf on every tree, every fish in the sea, every bird in the sky, and yes, even us. It has taken us from single-celled organisms to complex beings capable of contemplating our own existence. And it's not over. Evolution continues to shape life on Earth in ways we can see and in countless ways we can't. So next time you look in the mirror, remember, you're looking at billions of years of evolutionary history.